Okay, so today is one of the days of the local film festival in town, which is something that I used to go to every single year, but this will be actually my first time going back since 2019. And my friend Josh, that guy who didn't know me from last time, well, I must have made a great impression on him because he's decided to attend with me. I voted a couple days ago. So on this day that I'm going to be chatting with filmmakers, I want to look, nice and friendly and approachable. Is there any other option? For Johnny's outfit from the second movie, I once again utilized a shirt that I had painted myself, and didn't I do such a great job? I'm kidding, this shirt has been printed by actual professionals, but I do sell it on my Etsy account, so if you're interested, you can buy your own in the link below. Instead of my leather jacket, I went with my black denim jacket, just to mix it up a little bit.
I've been shaking, I love it when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back.
Alright, all set to go. Now, I just gotta wait for Josh to get here. We then made our way to the film festival, but before viewing any films, we had to make one of our own.
Here, $50. Honestly, if you could just give me some dance lessons, you would literally be saving my life.
Okay, one, I don't dance, and two, this is $5.
Me and Josh ended up having a pretty good time at the festival and met a lot of really talented filmmakers while we were there. And even though it wasn't my favorite year because the feature-length films weren't all that great, mostly, a lot of the short films were actually pretty awesome. Mostly. And so I chalked up this year at the festival as a success. Oh, and if you were paying attention earlier in this video, that flame pattern may look familiar to you.
Huh, that's a nice shirt. I wonder where you got that from.
Yeah, he bought one of my shirts. Home now. So, further thoughts on Johnny, specifically related to Sing 2 this time. Yeah, I was kind of sad that they didn't elaborate more on are there mutual feelings between Johnny and Ash. I don't know, maybe they plan on doing that for Sing 3, but I feel like if they do that, it's gonna come really out of nowhere. He met Nushi, and she's cool. I kind of would rather that they just stay friends, though. I don't know if I really want to see a romance blossom between them. We both know the struggles of falling behind in dance classes, and probably the part that stuck with me the most in that film was the part of him coming out of the theater with his hand shaking. Oh boy, yeah, I feel you there, Johnny. I had a professor in college who had that same effect on me. Great to see Johnny and his dad hug it out again. And I will say, as much as I did like his cover of Sky Full of Stars, I do have some nitpicks with just, it didn't quite work as well in this movie, I think, for two main reasons. One, it's really hard to top the I'm Still Standing cover. I mean, that's just, that's always going to be a hard one to top. I'll be interested to see what they give him in the third movie. And two, as good of a rendition as it was, Sky Full of Stars really isn't much of a battle song, so I'm kind of surprised they went with that for a dance fight. Still, great visuals, good singing, so, I can only complain so much about that, and I don't want to complain. Because we know no matter what Johnny sings, it's gonna be fire!